Hey YouTube, I mentioned in the description of my last video that I do a bike check. So, this is a Trek /7 2015. Brand new, got it for Christmas. So yeah, I'm just gonna go through all the parts and how it performs. Starting off at the front here, I have RockShox Pike RC. It's got 160mm travel. And then I have Bontrager rims, and then Bontrager XR4 tires. And I have 180mm disc brakes. I don't know what model the brakes are, but anyways, it's 2x10. I'm going 1x10 soon. Okay, 27.5-inch tires. Moving back a little bit, here we have a Trek E2 frame. It's really good. Trek uses it on a lot of their bikes. Oh yeah, by the way, this is an aluminum bike. Coming down here, we have a RockShox Monarch rear shock with 160mm travel, and it has the oil damper with an Evo shock linkage. Moving up a little bit, here we have a dropper post. It's not very fast. It's fast enough though. Yeah, fast enough for me, but I don't usually ride all the way up. And here we have Spram cranks with white BMX pedals made of resin. And then back here I have the same rim and tires, the front, just the XR4s. And then I also 180mm and same brakes. And the front and back both have 3 axles. Alright, now we're on the other side here. So there's the 2x10 drivetrain. And the derailleur has a clutch on it. So it should, the chain should stay tight instead of needing a chain tensioner. So I love that. And also I forgot to mention that the dropper poster is a KS. And the head tube angle on this bike is 65 degrees. I have put on aftermarket Chromag foo bars. Also aluminum. And then for here I'm gonna take this this top piece and put it under here with these so I have more of a high reach. I actually just went for a ride in Forbidden Plateau and I screwed up my whole derailleur. This part snapped and it's supposed to come back through here, but it snapped and came here. So I was stuck in the highest gear possible the whole time. Wasn't fun, but it was fun.